Hi and welcome to Not So Creative. In this video, I'm going to show you how to knit an icar edge on both sides of your project. It's a beautiful and functional technique that creates a smooth, rolled edge, perfect for shawls, scarves, or any project where you want a clean, decorative border. Let's jump right in. To begin, we are going to dedicate the first and the last 3 stitches of each row to form the icar edge. Keep that in mind if you're designing something with lace or texture. These 6 stitches are only for the edging and won't be part of the main stitch pattern. I've already cast on 20 stitches. That means I'll be working the first 3 and the last 3 stitches as the I-cord, and the 14 stitches in between will be the body of the swatch. Okay, here's the repeat we'll follow. On the right side row, knit 3 stitches. These form the icar edge. Now, work the center stitches. I'm using stockinette for this demonstration, so I'll knit across until the last 3 stitches. Slip the last 3 stitches purlwise with the yarn in back. Now we have to turn our work. On the wrong side row, purl the first 3 stitches. Snug up the yarn just a bit to keep the edge tidy. Work the pattern across the center stitches. In my case, I will purl them until the last 3 stitches. Again, now we have to slip the last 3 stitches purlwise with the yarn in front. And that's it. You just have to repeat these 2 rows for as long as you want to maintain the icar edge. I recommend you using the stitch markers after the first 3 stitches and before the last 3 stitches, so you can clearly separate the icar edge from the body of your pattern. At the beginning, it might be hard to see the icar taking shape, but as you continue knitting, you'll notice it forming like a soft rolled cord running down both sides. But as you continue knitting, you will notice it will form like a soft rolled cord running down both sides. It adds structure and gives your work that polished, intentional finish. And that's how you add an icar edge on both sides of your knitting. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more knitting tips, and let me know in the comments, where would you use this edge? Thanks for watching, happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next video.